Welcome to Woodworking Fever and More. In today's project, I'm going to be building a really simple floating shelf for my master bedroom out of regular 3/4 inch plywood. Join me as I build. So what I'm building here is a simple floating shelf that's going to be attached to a wall, and it's going to have a metal bracket that I'm going to screw into the wall, and then from there I'm going to weld down square tubing. Hopefully, if I find that's going to be about 1/4 inch thickness for it to slide in here, that way I can attach it to the wall. Let me explain. So these two are my middle pieces that are going to be the fill-in. This is my middle piece in the front. This is my bottom piece. I have my top piece, and this is how it's going to go together. These two are my edges. This again is the middle. This is my top. I'm going to sandwich it just like this, and then as you can see, I have a slot here that I will be feeding a 1/4 inch tube that's going to go in here. That's going to be again welded onto a metal flange, and then if you turn this around without these things flying out, I have a. Now you can see when I sandwich it together, you can see the end grain of the plywood. That's why I will be using premium wood filler by Dab, and I will fill all that in and sand it all down, and you won't even be able to tell that it's end grain. So very simple, very easy. So let's sandwich this together and proceed. Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you for joining me as I built this floating shelf out of regular 3/4 inch plywood that you can get at Home Depot. I hope you got some inspiration. I hope you got some information out of it. If not, thank you anyways. If you have any questions on the tools that I was using, it's in the description down below. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Other than that, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so that way you get notified whenever I upload another video.